Hello guys, this is my first video on law of attraction in which I'm going to tell you the secret which I have followed whole my life to achieve whatever I want to achieve. A lot of people call me as go-getter. I believe in my dreams. I execute my dreams. How exactly I do it? I'm going to reveal the secret to you today. And this is not a secret, guys. There's already a topic, there's a book called The Secret, The Law of Attraction. A lot of material you'll find on the internet, on YouTube. It is just my way, my friends. I'm going to tell you my experience, sharing with you how I did it, how I do it, and how you can do it, and how you can achieve success. See, before knowing this, what we do? We all believe that to get a success, we require three things: hard work, guidance, and the luck. Correct? So right from the childhood, our parents, everybody, our school teachers tells you what? Do hard work, focus on the hard work, focus on the hard work. And we keep doing hard work, man. But every time the hard work doesn't succeed. It doesn't give fruits. And then what we say? कर्म करते रहो, फल की अपेक्षा मत करो. The Gita Siddhant. I agree. But then just like Arjuna required the guidance of Krishna to minimize our hard work, because as I said, hard work, guidance and luck, these three things makes 100% success. But none of this can be zero, none of this can be 100%. Only hard work, only guidance, only luck is not going to contribute to 100. It's all everything combination. And none of them can be zero. So none of them can be 100%. So what we do is we do a lot of hard work, then bit of guidance, and then luck doesn't give success. You do a lot of hard work to get success, no? पळून पळून काही लोकांना रन काढायला लागतात. काही लोकांचं लकी असतात. They study before exam, before paper, pass, first class, gone. Bat मारली है, 6 directly. That's their luck. Why didn't happen with us? Why a lot of people say that I'm not lucky, मी lucky नाही आहे, माझ्या बाबतीत नाही होत असं, त्याच्या बाबतीत होतं तो lucky आहे. It's not like that. It's only because we are not working on that luck factor. Try to understand this. We always focus on the hard work. To minimize the hard work, what we do is we try to increase the guidance. How? By browsing on the internet, reading a lot of blogs, watching such YouTube videos, right? Talking to friends, seniors, elderly people, seeking their advice. We're trying to minimize our hard work. But then, still sometimes we fail. And then again, whom we blame? Our destiny, our luck. And we always say, our kundli is read only. We can't change it, man. We can. Okay? Nothing is pre-written script. We can write our own script. We can write our own story. You are the architect of your life. You are the painter of your life. You need to paint your story. You are the director of your movie. You are the hero. You have to decide what life you want. Don't restrict it. Don't block it by your negative thoughts. Limits. Don't limit it, man. Don't limit it. Okay? I'll give you some examples. The law of attraction works for everyone. Everyone. You just need to understand. You just need to believe that it's working for you. See, for example, you want to call your friend or someone strongly, couple of days, but you're not getting a time. You're busy in something else. And then suddenly you find that person messages you, calls you, or suddenly bumps in front of you. You meet him and you're just shocked. Oh man, I really wanted to talk to you. I really wanted to call you. How it happened? You didn't message him to call. Nobody told him to message you or call you. He called. Right? The law of attraction is working with you. Your thoughts traveled to that person and then that person called you. Isn't it? It's surprising, isn't it? This is what is called as the law of attraction. You are attracting what you want. And your all thoughts, which is continuously thinking, when you're sleeping, your thoughts are going. Your all thoughts, your wishes, your desires, What you wish to the universe happens. How? We don't know. So be careful about your thoughts. What you think, you become. So first thing you have to believe that it will happen. Right? Look at the students, those are preparing for the exams. Some students really work hard, they continue studying, attending every lecture. Very sincere people. But they don't top, they don't get distinctions, first class. They really struggle, some students. But you'll find some students, they just study before paper and they pass. They get flying colors, first class. How does that happen? We say, he's lucky. You have observed some people when they're studying, what they do? They just feel that this question is going to come in tomorrow's paper. Or for a practical exam, for those who are especially into IT, this program is going to be there in my practical exam. It happened with me. And then when you go to the exam, when you look at the question paper, you find that same question you thought about yesterday night is there in the paper. You're so surprised, you're smiling internally. How it happened? Nobody told you the paper. It's a law of attraction. What you wanted happened. Right? I can tell you a lot of stories. In my every video, I'm going to tell you some stories. Okay? But first thing, you have to believe that it's going to happen. And then it happens. A simple thing. There are a few steps which I'm going to tell you. And then I'm going to tell you some stories. The first step, you need to have some goal. You need to achieve something. काही तुम्हाला achieve करायला काहीतरी उपयोगात पाहिजे. So think about a goal that you want to achieve. Okay? Don't think about how complicated it is, how difficult it is, how impossible it is. Nothing. You just think of one goal. The most important thing to you. Okay? There can be many sub-goals. There can be many goals, many things you want. You want car, you want house, you want good whatever, spouse. I agree. But right now, just think of one most important thing to you. What you want is that most important thing. Most important, I'm saying most important. What does that want? And as compared to that, everything else is secondary. That's it. Take that one thing. Start wishing for it day and night. It's not the dreams that you see in the night. It's the dreams that you see in the daytime. The dreams that don't allow you to sleep. Continuous thoughts coming to your mind. You want that. You want that to happen. Let it be anything. It may be marks. It may be exam. It may be job. It may be marriage. It may be a house. It may be immigration. It may be going to some country. It may be anything, guys. Just think about it. Continuously think about it. Wish. Okay? That's the first thing you should have a goal. Now, second thing what remains is simply wish. Wish to the universe. The form doesn't matter whether it is a God, Krishna, Shankar, Ganpati, or whether it is Allah, or whether it is Yeshu Christ, Jesus Christ. Doesn't matter. The form really doesn't matter. What matters, guys, is you wish to that universe, that energy, and believe me, it's going to reflect. What do you wish it's going to give you? How? You don't have to bother. You don't have to worry. ते कसं मिळणार आहे, काय मिळणार. You don't have to worry about कैसे मिलना है, क्या मिलना है. You have to just wish. And it will happen. This is a simple theory. Now, what happens in this? Why people don't wish and they don't get it? Because there's a lot of negativity to it. There are a lot of doubts to it, which are hurdles. So generally, don't announce your goals. Don't announce your thing. What do you want to people? Because they will create the doubt. They'll create all the negative thoughts, probably out of jealousy, whatever it is, and which will create the mind blocks, and things will not happen. So when you wish something, normally if it is important goal to me, I don't tell to the people. I'll announce only once it happens. So that a lot of negative energy from the environment, from my friend or whatever it is, okay, from the your inner circles won't appear. You are on your own, your thoughts. And you can apply completely positive energy to it to make it happen. Okay? So, first and most important, there should not be any negative thoughts. No doubts. Of course, when you're going to see some examples, something read newspapers or some news, you will create some negative doubts. But then you have to eliminate it. You don't have to think negative. It may happen, something negative may happen. Okay, just for that person. It's not going to happen with me. So another thing is, you have to believe that it is going to happen. The way people tell you that if you want to buy a TV, first buy a table, buy a TV box, buy a frame and just put it. Assume that it is going to be there and just keep watching every day. And the TV will come one day. Something like that. Pack your bags first. Imagine that you're going. I behave that as you want to go. It will happen. Believe me. Okay? I'm not telling you theoretical stories. I have implemented this in my life. Whole my life. And when I came across the books, then I realized this is already documented, man. It is not nothing new. It's not something my own secret that I'm cooking. It's already documented in the books, the secret, the law of attraction. So everything is there inside. Right? So you use whatever media you want, the God, Allah, the Christ, whatever you want, the media if you want. You wish, continuously wish for that. How do you believe? By reading news, by watching videos. Try to listen to stories nearer to you. Okay? Not very far. If somebody tells you something happened in the US or Africa or somewhere else, it will not be related to you. You will not get related to it. You will not start believing. But if something happens, or if someone tells you from your close ones, from your society, from your area, from your building, from your neighborhood, then you will realize more. Then you will believe more. More you believe, it will happen. The way the Saint Sai Baba tells you, or the way we say in Marathi, ki manla tar dev na te dagade. It's all up to you believe. That Hindu God, what we say, is just a idol. It's a material. Stone, whatever, the metal, the gold, right? Marble, it's just a material. It is you believe that it's a God. So you believe in that God, someone else doesn't. See how it works? Right? So you have to decide where you want to believe. It's your choice given to you. I'm not going to tell you believe in this or believe in that. Or practice some rituals. No. You may start practicing this without any God, without any form. Most important thing is, there is an energy in this universe. You have to ask to the universe. Just like you go to the hotel and order for something, and you believe that what I'm ordering right in the menu card is going to come because he said it's there. Same thing. What do you want? You just believe in it, ask to the universe, and universe will deliver it to you. Without questioning, without thinking how and why or whatever. So step number 1, you should have something, some goals to achieve, something that you want most desperately. You should be desperate about it. Second, start wishing for it continuous. Don't wish anything else apart from that, because you might have 100 goals, you can't achieve 100 goals at a time. Achieve that one important thing, focus on it till it achieves. Third, be optimistic, be positive. Don't meet any negative people. Don't let anyone create any negative thoughts in your mind. Think positive, be positive, and always keep your mind positive. Let anything happens for others. It is going to happen for me, it is going to work for me, you are going to get successful. And then try to read all positive stories, positive news, collect all things related to it, maybe photos, videos, magnets, keep in front of you. Create an environment such a way that it's going to happen. Start believing, more believing, and allow the time. The universe will make it happen. There's a famous dialogue in Om Shanti Om movie, Hindi Bollywood movie, कि अगर कोई चीज़ आप पूरी, when you want something with full desire, तो पूरी कायनात, the whole universe जुट जाएगी. आपको whatever you want to give you that, it will make it happen. Alright. So now, in the next episode, I'm going to tell you one story. In every episode, I'm going to tell you some stories where I'll tell you how it happened. Not only with me, with my friends, anybody's example, mostly related to me, will understand how I did, and they're wonderful stories, guys. Okay? So, this is what is the basic principle of the secret, the law of attraction. In my next story, I'll keep on telling you how I implemented it. So please do subscribe my channel. If you liked my video, like it and get ready for my next stories. Thank you. Goodbye.